Welcome to Daddy Do's and Don'ts.
Welcome to Daddy Do's and Don'ts.
Welcome to A for Ashley. I mean, Daddy welcome to Laugh My Unicorn. I turned into a unicorn.
You can say whatever you want. This is Daddy Do's and Don'ts. Izzy turned into a unicorn. Toby, what did you turn into?
Still human.
Toby's still human, and today we're gonna make some stress balls.
No, I am something I don't know.
No, Toby's a balloon man.
I just blow up balloons like this.
So today we're doing stress balls because there's a lot of stress going on right now. And school started for some of us, some of you guys.
And look at my finger.
And she
Pinched
started
my
school.
finger yesterday.
She pinched her finger yesterday and it's bleeding and hurts. So she needs to relieve some stress.
Even look at my How do I do that with mine?
And Toby scratched his back yesterday. We're gonna show you guys all of our wounds that we got. I don't have any wounds. Actually, I do on my legs. I want to show you those. But school's starting, and we need something to relax. We need something to relax ourselves. So we're gonna make stress balls out of balloons. You might have seen it on the internet before or YouTube, but this is.
Look what I can do.
We're gonna. Toby might get another wound here soon. Look at him climb that chair. So we're gonna take what we need for this project is some balloons. We got some dollar store balloons because that's our favorite place to shop.
And it's my baby sister's birthday.
Yeah, we got the balloons for a birthday surprise for the baby sister.
I want this.
And you're gonna need flour.
Yeah.
We got some water bottles and put flour in already. It's just easier for us anyways to put the flour in the balloons. Okay, we got our big bag of flour. Toby, what did you say? Don't do this at home.
Without grown-ups.
Don't do this without
If you
grown-ups.
don't have grown-ups, then just a little kid.
Because if you do it without grown-ups, you might end up like this. And you don't want to end up like me. So make sure you have a parent with you. Okay, I'm messy now.
You made a mess on our table.
Oh, and you're gonna need a funnel.
This is messy, guys. Ah!
Yeah, this is really messy.
Yeah.
We got a stick to help it go down in the bottle easier. But, yeah, we'll have Toby do it and then you.
And then you can draw your when you get mad and you need something to do with louder.
We're gonna make all sorts of messes. And I'm supposed to be the parent, I guess.
Yeah, he is the
You want to
parent.
get some, Izzy? You want to do it now? The stick just helps it go down easier.
I'm getting wet. We need more flour.
Yeah, just keep. It might take a little bit to fill the bottle. You'll want quite a bit.
A lot.
Probably like that much to fill a balloon.
They have no idea what that much is.
That
Bob
much.
doesn't know. The people out there don't know how much it is. Yeah, don't do this at home with grown-ups.
Yeah, with grown-ups. Because grown-ups are messy. Look at me. Look at me.
I thought kids are messy.
I don't know who's messy. The grown-ups or the kids. We'll have to
Well, the
decide.
kids make a big
Toby's getting pretty messy.
I'm not.
You're not. You might win the non-messiest person today.
No.
Okay.
Messiest.
That's perfect. You can cut it and we'll film. So first we gotta blow the balloon up to make it easier. Okay, you have to do that too. If you don't blow the air up onto their face, it doesn't count. Oh wow!
Rocket ship.
Rocket shit! Ah!
I'm glad I was there.
Okay, sweet. So now Izzy, oh, actually we'll let Toby do this one. And you shake it. Get all the flour. Ugh.
Get out.
There you go.
If it does, we'll make
It might
bigger.
take a little bit of patience, but just keep working
Dang it.
the flour into the balloon, and eventually it'll be perfect.
Get that all over there.
Perfect. Almost got it. Okay,
Horns.
let's take it off. Let's see the balloon first. You might need to put some more flour. Depending on the size of stress ball you want, you might need to add some flour. Oh, that's a good size stress ball. See, that's the air.
Can you tie it?
So that's probably a good size stress ball. Let me.
Can you tie it? Yes.
There we go.
Give that.
Tie Toby's.
You're like, ugh. Look at this big.
We have Izzy's balloon. Here you go, Izzy. Go ahead and shake it, and and make your stress ball. This one might be a bigger stress ball.
Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Dance with your lady. I'm gonna marry my mama. Lady, it's my mama. My mama.
You shake and I'll hold the balloon. I think the balloon's gonna fall off. So
Mama, mama.
here's your balloon. Okay. Push the little flower out, wrap it up, and you got yourself a stress ball. There you go. So that's an easy craft to help you with and not be stressful. And you can double layer it to make it extra safe so it doesn't pop. Unless parents like to clean that up, then that's up to you.
Bye.
See ya. Here's a cool stress balls.
Run!
See ya. Ah! Ah! It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Did I get in your eye?
Yeah.
See ya. Toby wanted to slide across the table. Do it, Toby.